finally got my hands on the Guava Slip collection from Camille. I'm so excited to review these products, and what better way to do that than doing a Flexi rod set. So let's strap in and do the review. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, like I said in the intro, I finally got my hands on the Guava Slip collection. I am so excited, y'all, because everybody has been talking about these products, and I finally get to review them for you guys. So let's go ahead and get to work. And like I also said in the intro, we'll be doing a basic flexi rod set, but believe it or not, there are still people out there that need some help, girl. I'm gonna hold your hand and walk you through this video while reviewing these products. So let's start with step one. We need to part and prep our hair to be styled. Okay, y'all, so my hair is prepped and ready to go. I have a part on this side of my head, and I also have my hair clipped up and out the way because it's so much easier to just work in sections. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to apply the Guava Slip Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. This is a gourmet recipe of guava and kakadu plum, and this is designed to moisturize and detangle. So it says to shake and then go ahead and spray on damp or dry hair. Now for my flexi rod set, we are starting out on, come on, oh, there it is. We are starting out on dry hair. I just find it a lot easier for my hair to dry after applying the styling products. So we're just gonna go ahead and get some hydration back into our hair, and I'm already smelling the product, y'all. It smells really good, like really, really good. All right, so now that we have some moisture in that section, y'all, it smells so good. It smells very tropical. I really like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and part out my first section, which is gonna be that right there. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the main event, and this is the Guava Slip, the Hold Up Setting Mousse, and it has the same scent, the guava and kakadu plum, and this is also for all hair textures too, which is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and see how it pumps out. Alright, so we're gonna start off small with just 2 pumps and see how that gets us. Okay, so I already have 2 installed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm getting it done. We're gonna go ahead and start off with a couple pumps. It's very foamy, it feels good, it smells good, and so far it's working in my hair. So let me show you guys how it actually applies. Just like so. And what I like to do is really work that into my hair before I go in with a little bit more, which I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna do 2 additional pumps, and again, massaging that all into the section. Okay, now all I'm gonna do is take my detangling brush, and I'm gonna detangle from the roots all the way up, just making sure all those knots are out and that everything is evenly distributed. Okay, just like that. Okay, now this is gonna be 2 flexi rods, or 2 sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate a front and a back half. I already have my flexi rod ready to go. I'm gonna place my flexi rod at the top of my hair where my root is, and just start to wrap down. You're wrapping over the flexi rod. Now my goal is to get kind of tight, springy curls. So I'm wrapping in such a way that my hair comes out tight and spirally. And then to secure them, you just wanna bend them in towards each other, and that secures the flexi rod. And just to show you guys that again, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap that around my curl, around my hair. And then once I get to the bottom, I do try to hold it, because that's where I want to bend the flexi rod at to lock it in place. And then same thing with the top, I just make sure it's secure, and I bend it inwards to just secure and lock it in place, just like that. So you're literally just bending the ends together to lock everything in place and make sure everything is secure and doesn't move. So we are already like working up this back section here, which is phenomenal. When you have products like this, you can easily work through a hairstyle much better. Because I'm using the right hair products, it's extra light, foamy, but still has that hold that you need, and it's a consistent product all throughout your head, which is great. So again, taking that product and getting it on there, and I like to take my time really massaging it into my hair. Don't ever think that you need more. Sometimes you just need to be patient and work that product in. And then once I do that, you guys can see all the product is in there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through very gently. And same procedure, I'm just gonna take this back section. Here's my next flexi rod right here. And I'm gonna place the flexi rod kind of at the top of my head. I'm just wrapping that around And then once I get to the bottom, all I'm gonna do is kind of hold it and pop it in place so it's secure. And then same thing at the top, I just wrap till I can't wrap anymore, pop it down so it's secure. All right, so one more time, all you're gonna do is take the flexi rod and place it kind of towards the top of the hair at the root. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap around pretty tightly. Once I'm at the bottom, I'm just gonna continue to wrap over. And then I'm gonna push up to secure the ends or clamp it up. And then we're gonna take the top and clamp it down. Basically just bringing those ends together, and that's how it should look. All right, so the back is all finished, easy peasy. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the front. I'm telling you, when you have the right products, you can get through a style pretty quickly. Use the Guava Slip Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. We're gonna put it on each section before we start to use our flexi rods. I love how it sprays. Like, I love that it actually comes out differently depending on the pressure that you push it. You see that? Like a squirt versus a spray. That is so cool. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is add the setting mousse. And we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start with like 2.5. 2.5 pumps, because we can always add more, we can't take away. Because I'm right here on my edge, I really don't need too much. Done with this side. I cannot believe it only took me like less than 30 minutes to install them. I truly did enjoy installing it with the detangling leave-in conditioner and the setting mousse. Not only do these products smell really good, but I think this hairstyle is gonna turn out a success. I cannot wait for it to dry and see it. What I'm gonna do right now is just knock out the other side really quickly, but nevertheless, I'm gonna knock it out off camera and I will be right back. Hey y'all, so I am back and this is how we are looking, friend. We are almost done. I just have to wait for it to dry and then I can take it out. I was gonna sit under my hooded dryer, but y'all, it's 10 o'clock at night, friend. I might just wind up sleeping in this hairstyle and taking it out the next day, which will be tomorrow. I'm really excited to see how everything turned out. The Guava Slip collection from Camille is slowly but surely stealing my heart. I love the install technique and the process so far. I did it seamlessly because I had the right products, and tomorrow we'll be able to take it down and see the final results. If you guys did like my install technique and so far me talking about Camille's new line, the Guava Slip collection, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my page. Again, my name is Aaliyah and I show you guys how to do all things rod and roller sets on my page. I'm a natural hair fanatic, so you guys can hang out over here with me, and in the meantime I'm gonna go lay down, friend. I will see you guys tomorrow when it's time to take these down. All right y'all, bye. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So it is the next day. I did sit under a hooded hair dryer this morning for roughly an hour or so, and I did do a dry test just to make sure they were dry. When you are feeling if your hair is dry, you want to make sure you're touching the roots of your hair because the roots are the last thing to dry. Once the roots are dry, then you're good to go. So fingers crossed, we should be good. So I'm so excited. This is how we are looking. Slept quite comfortably in a large bonnet. Okay, y'all, let's begin. So before you start taking down your flexi rods, it's a good idea to have your hands oiled. It just creates more slip so your hair is not getting frizzy as you're taking it down, and there's no tugging, there's no pulling, there's no frizz. Add some oil, friend. So I'm gonna use the Botano oil from Camille Rose. This is also a new product that I'll be trying. But this is how we're looking. Wow, that smells really good. So we just want to lather up our hands with some oil before we start taking down our rollers. And let's go ahead and begin. I'm just going to start taking them down on this side. Once we take them all down, then we'll go back to separate. So let's just start with this guy right here. So I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair in the opposite direction, freeing the flexi rod. And this is how we're looking so far. Again, you want to take it, roll down once or twice, and then I'm just going to unravel in the opposite direction. Look at that, y'all. Super cute. The products smell so good. As you're installing them, as you're taking them down, the Camille Rose, like her scents and fragrances are so much fun to just smell and endure. So as you guys can see, these are slipping right out. And we're gonna take them all down at first, and then we'll go back and separate. Okay, so now that we have a majority of them taken down on this side, what I'm gonna do is just gently pull them all up because I want to start separating in the back first. And I'm just gonna take a clip and kind of clip them up and out the way. All right, so I'm just gonna take it and figure out where it naturally wants to separate at. And then I'm gonna start to pull again. Now you guys can see a lot better than me, but we're just pulling and separating. You're gonna have to let me know if I missed anything. And if I need to, I can coil it back around my hair. If anything feels like a little too thick, I just pull and separate. All right, so coming around to the front here, I'm just kind of doing what I can do. Separating those nice and easy. Let's go ahead and start at the bottom right here, just pulling. You can already see how the hairstyle is about to look, but we still have a ways to go. I'm gonna wait until I take out all the rollers and then we'll fluff and do what we need to do. But right now, so far, so good. We just took them down. It didn't take long at all. All right, so let me go ahead and just knock out this side off camera and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I am back and these are the final results, y'all. I took out the remaining curls out of my head. I feel like I made one back here around that. You know when you feel like a little lump? Turn them lumps into clumps, okay? And so I took out the remaining curls on this side. I did let a little edge right here, just to be a little cute friend. I'm really happy that I got a chance to try the Guava slip from Camille Rose. This was the product that did it, friend. Okay, looking super cute, super fabulous. I have a full set of Flexi rods that we will be rocking for the remainder of the week, which is pretty cool. And I also like their botana oil and what they were able to do to just help with shine overall. And yeah, so I'm really happy with this hairstyle. I'm really happy with the products. I'm really happy with everything. If you guys did like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, my name is Aaliyah and we do all things natural hair care over here. But without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. If you see this video on your screen, go ahead and click it so we can keep the party going with the next hairstyle. But until next time, I will see you guys. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.